Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the bizarre and the extraordinary. Get ready to meet 7 animals that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie rather than on Earth. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, our planet is teeming with life that is both wondrous and strange. Join me as we explore the remarkable adaptations and unique features that make these creatures seem like they've arrived from another world. Our first encounter takes us to the ancient lakes of Mexico, where we meet a creature that seems to have unlocked the secret to eternal youth. This is the axolotl, a salamander that retains its larval features throughout its life. Unlike typical amphibians, which undergo metamorphosis to develop lungs and live on land, the axolotl remains in its aquatic larval stage, complete with feathery external gills that fan out from its head like a crown of delicate plumes. These gills, constantly absorbing oxygen from the water, give the axolotl an almost ethereal appearance. And then there's the smile. A permanent fixture on the axolotl's face, this endearing grin is simply a result of its skull structure, but it adds to the creature's otherworldly charm. Our next journey takes us deep into the microscopic world, where we encounter an animal that's less alien and more indestructible. This is the tardigrade, a microscopic creature that can withstand conditions that would spell certain doom for most other life forms. From the icy vacuum of space to the crushing pressure of the deep sea, tardigrades have an uncanny ability to survive. When faced with extreme environments, these microscopic marvels enter a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis, where their metabolism slows to a near standstill. They can remain in this death-like state for decades, only to reanimate when conditions improve. Their resilience is nothing short of astonishing, making them one of the toughest animals on Earth. Now we descend into the inky blackness of the deep sea, a realm where sunlight fades and strange creatures lurk. The deep sea is one of the most mysterious and least explored places on Earth. It's a world where the pressure is immense, the temperature is near freezing, and the darkness is almost absolute. Yet, life thrives here in the most astonishing forms. Here we encounter a creature that seems to have sprung straight from a nightmare, the goblin shark. This ancient species, often referred to as a living fossil, has remained largely unchanged for millions of years, a testament to its successful adaptation to the deep-sea environment. This elusive shark is a rare sight, often dwelling at depths of over 1,000 meters. Its habitat makes it difficult for scientists to study, adding to the air of mystery that surrounds it. But its bizarre appearance is unforgettable. With a body that can grow up to 12 feet long, the goblin shark's most distinctive feature is its head, which is equipped with a long, flat snout. Its most striking feature is its elongated snout, which is covered in specialized sensory organs, which protrudes like a blade from its face. This snout is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in the shark's hunting strategy. This snout is lined with electroreceptors, tiny organs that can detect the faintest electrical fields produced by other animals, allowing the goblin shark to sense the faint electrical fields of prey lurking in the darkness. This ability is particularly useful in the pitch-black environment of the deep sea where visibility is almost zero. But the goblin shark's most unsettling feature is its retractable jaws. These jaws are unlike those of any other shark, capable of extending forward to snatch prey. When prey is detected, these jaws shoot forward with lightning speed, propelled by specialized muscles and ligaments, snapping up the unsuspecting victim in a gulp. This rapid extension allows the goblin shark to catch even the quickest of prey, ensuring its survival in the competitive deep-sea environment. It's a hunting strategy as effective as it is terrifying. The goblin shark's unique adaptations make it one of the most fascinating and fearsome predators of the deep sea, a true nightmare of the deep. Chapter 4. The Star-Nosed Mole Sensory Superstar. Our next stop takes us underground, to the subterranean world of the star-nosed mole. This fascinating creature spends most of its life beneath the surface, navigating through a network of tunnels and burrows. Despite its small size, the star-nosed mole is a master of its environment, perfectly adapted to life in the dark, damp soil. This small burrowing mammal might seem unassuming at first glance, but its most distinctive feature is anything but ordinary. The star-nosed mole's nose is a marvel of evolution, designed to give it a sensory edge in its subterranean habitat. Emerging from its face is a star-shaped nose, a fleshy appendage covered in over 25,000 sensory receptors. These receptors are incredibly sensitive, allowing the mole to detect the slightest movements and vibrations in its environment. This extraordinary nose is the most sensitive touch organ known in any mammal, allowing the star-nosed mole to navigate its dark underground world with remarkable precision. It can move through its tunnels with ease, avoiding obstacles and finding its way to food sources with incredible accuracy. Each ray of the star is covered in tiny, dome-shaped organs called Eimer's organs, which detect minute vibrations and changes in pressure. These organs are so sensitive that they can even detect the movement of tiny prey in complete darkness. The star-nosed mole uses its nose to identify prey, such as insects, worms, and even small fish, in a fraction of a second. Its hunting technique is incredibly efficient, allowing it to capture and consume its prey with lightning speed. This makes the star-nosed mole not only a sensory superstar but also a formidable predator in its underground realm. Chapter 5. The Leafy Sea Dragon, Master of Disguise. We return to the ocean, this time to the kelp forests off the coast of Australia, where we encounter a creature that's mastered the art of disguise. This is the leafy sea dragon, a marine fish that's evolved to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. Its body is adorned with long, flowing appendages that mimic the fronds of seaweed, making it nearly indistinguishable from the kelp forests it calls home. These leafy appendages are not used for swimming but rather for camouflage, allowing the leafy sea dragon to ambush unsuspecting prey or hide from predators. It's a testament to the power of natural selection and the incredible adaptations that animals evolve to survive. Chapter 6. The Aye Creature of the Night. Our journey now takes us to the island of Madagascar, home to some of the most unique and endangered wildlife on Earth. This island, often referred to as the Eighth Continent, is a biodiversity hotspot, teeming with species found nowhere else on the planet. Among these extraordinary creatures is the enigmatic Aye. Here, we encounter the Aye, a nocturnal lemur with an appearance as unusual as its name. With its large, luminous eyes adapted for night vision and bat-like ears that can detect the faintest sounds, the Aye is perfectly equipped for its nocturnal lifestyle. The Aye is the world's largest nocturnal primate, and its most striking feature is its long, skeletal middle finger. This finger, which looks almost like a witch's wand, is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in the Aye's survival. This finger is highly specialized, used to tap on trees to listen for hollow chambers that harbor grubs and insects. The Aye's acute hearing allows it to detect the subtle differences in sound that indicate the presence of these hidden morsels. Once a chamber is located, the Aye uses its sharp teeth to gnaw a hole in the wood, then inserts its long middle finger to extract the grubs. This process is a fascinating display of nature's ingenuity, showcasing the Aye's unique adaptation to its environment. This unique feeding strategy has earned the Aye the nickname woodpecker lemur. By mimicking the foraging behavior of a woodpecker, the Aye has carved out a niche for itself in the dense forests of Madagascar, ensuring its survival in a competitive ecosystem. Chapter 7. The Dumbo Octopus Deep Sea Dream. Our final destination takes us back to the deep sea, where we encounter a creature that's as adorable as it is bizarre. This is the Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins that resemble the ears of the beloved Disney character. These fins, which flap gracefully as the octopus moves through the water, are not just for show. They help the Dumbo octopus maneuver through the deep sea, propelling it through the water with surprising agility. The Dumbo octopus is a fascinating example of the diversity of life that exists in the deepest parts of our oceans, a world that remains largely unexplored and full of wonder. From the feathery gills of the axolotl to the ear-like fins of the Dumbo octopus, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. These 7 creatures, each with its own unique adaptations and extraordinary features, remind us that our planet is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.